开始吧。
Hi guys, this is Louis speaking. I am Louis from local from packing machinery. Now it's my honor to take you around our factory. We are located in local China province. We are the professional manufacturer of paper and tray machines. We have been in this line for business for more than 20 years. Now let me take you around to show you the kind of our machinery. Firstly, I want to introduce you our mini paper X-ray machine. This is a small capacity X-ray machine. Now you can see here, this is the forming machine. This is the popping system. Here, let me show you the pieces one by one. Okay? Here, come from me. This is the popper. What is the popper? You open here, okay. It's very strong. Yeah, you can see the quality of our machine. It's very, very strong. You can see that the thickness is 6 millimeter. It's very, very strong. Popper you can open here to put with paper and water here. Then you can open the motor. It takes about 15 minutes. The paper and the water become pop. Then you can stop the motor and open this valve. The pop will flow into the here. It's a clean system. It can take off the plastic out of the pop. Here you can see we call this multi-function refiner machine. What is a refiner machine? It's like a mill. It can make pop better. Then after refiner machine, the pop will be absorbing into this here. Here is the what? Here you can see, you know what's this? This is the pop pool. We supply you one pop pool and one water pool. This is very good for you. It can save time and money for you. And the pop will go inside here. It will about 210 pop will put pop here. Then the pop will be absorbing into the foaming machine. Then the machine will work for you, and the water will be absorbed into the water pool. This is our working flow. Our machine was called to the pop molding machine. It's not just X-ray machine. With different mode, you can produce different products, such as X-ray, egg carton, apple tray, fruit tray, seeding tray, etc. Many fire imagine. Lot of almost all kind of packing product. The foam machine you can hear is moving by the air cylinder. Up, down is there by air cylinder, and it's operated by PLC. It's a very, very good operating system. It's very convenient and it is easy to operate. It's just like our smartphone. Touch here, you can tell your machine to do what job. You can off and what's the time to absorbing pop and to take off X-ray. It's very, very convenient, very good design. And here you can see what is this. This is we call this vacuum pump. What is vacuum pump? Vacuum pump can absorbing the pop out water. To absorbing pop in the surface of mold to get different products. Here is a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump will absorb water out of pump to get different product, and the water will go inside this. This is the vacuum tank. Vacuum tank will carry water, and we supply you pressure gauge with vacuum tank. You should see the vacuum, the pressure on the vacuum gauge. This gauge will tell you the pressure of vacuum pump. If the pressure is too low, it cannot work. So you should take care of this part. Now let me show you the mode. This is here. Hi guys. This is the big vacuum pump. It's used for big capacity X-ray machine. Now later I will introduce you the big capacity. Here is the mode. Okay. You see the mode here? It's a very good quality. You can see it's very strong, very good, and it's made by aluminum. The material or mode had aluminum, copper, ABS plastic. Most of clients need aluminum. The life of aluminum mode will be about 6 to 10 years. It's long enough and very good quality. You can see this is the cotton mode, and this is the X-ray mode. Okay. This is some brief introduction of our machine. Now let me take you to here to see the big capacity X-ray machine. Here, come with me. This you can see by here. This is the big capacity X-ray machine of our factory. We have rotary. This type we call rotary type X-ray machine.